Cody Lance. That right there is a little boy. It's a little baby. It's Kyle's brother. September 13th, 1987. And Cody's, how old is Cody, Kyle? He's 4. He may be 4 weeks old. No, maybe 5, maybe 6. He was born on August the 5th, 1987. See how pretty he is? He's all sleepy house. There's Kyle. Kyle bought Cody a new train with his own money that he saved in his piggy bank. What a sweet boy. What a sweet brother to buy his brother a train with his own money. That was very noble of you, Kyle. Do you like your brother? There's Mama Shell she's built in our new house here. And Cody's laying on the waterbed and Kyle is standing here talking to us. Kyle, would you sing for me, I Know You? Would you sing it to Cody? How nice. Now, where did that song come from? Oh, that's wonderful that you know it so well. What else is on Sleeping Beauty?
Let me know it.
What's her name? What else? Is there some 2 Good, 3 Good Fairies?
Yeah.
What's their names?
Their names, I don't know what to,
Flora and Fauna and...
Mary.
Oh. Which one of them is blue? How nice. You are such a smart baby. And is there a Prince Philip? What is his horse's name? Oh, yes, you do. You named your horse the same thing.
Yeah, she's going to play.
Is it Samson? Oh, be careful with Cody up there.
But I'm sorry. I didn't mean to get
That's nice. What does Prince Philip say?
It's hot for.
Oh, how nice. Okay, well, there's Cody. Do you love Cody? Would you put a little hug on his cheek?
Yeah.
Put it on your hand and then put it on Cody's cheek.
Put a big on it.
Just a little one.
I'm a fire baby. I'm not food.
Thank you, darling. Thank you very much. Well, we'll see y'all later. December the 17th, 1987. No, Kyle, don't put it down there like that. Squirt it way out. There you go. That's it. No, squirt it way out. Kyle, squirt it way out. That was a good water.
Wow.
Squirt it way out.